Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kirinyanga and it's a new episode. So guys, I don't know if you can guess from looking behind me, I'm actually doing a video that I've been waiting to do most. That is to show you how lice is harvested today. A couple of years back it was a tedious process because you had to get people who would come like with sickles. I don't know if you get me guys, as in today we usually use a machine called the combined harvester, which has made it so easy for us to harvest lice guys. So come with me, let me show you actually how it does, because it literally does everything. That is from harvesting, putting it in the sack literally, and also winnowing, which was a tedious process back then. But guys, today I want to show you how lice is normally harvested. So guys, whatever I'm doing right now, it's pushing the rice to bed away from the budding so that it will be easy for the combined harvester to pick up the rice stalks. Because if the rice is bedding on the budding, which is the barrier of the acre, it will be so hard for the fork. You will see them guys, the pickers. I don't know what they are called, but I'll ask them to tell me what they are called. This is usually done before the combined harvester arrives in the acre. So it's tedious because there is a lot of grass and I did not dress for the acre. As you can see, my feet are bare. So nitawashwa vizuri, nitawashwa sawa sawa jioni. But all you do is step on the base of the stalk, of the rice stalk. You see? So for one, as you can see, the acre is totally dry guys. For the combined harvester to be able to maneuver through easily without destroying the lice, because if the acre is not well dried, the combined harvester will totally destroy the rice by stepping on it, and you know this is cotton soil and it's usually so sticky. As you can see, it's even clogged. As you know, if the clay soil lacks water, it clogs so easily. The combined harvester does a really good job. As you can see, the rice is totally green and the few greens here and there will be totally gone after a few days, 1 or 2 days. The rice will totally change into its usual color.
Guys, the main reason why everyone loves using the combined harvester is because of time management, because after only 1 hour we are done with harvesting the acre, and as you can see we are transporting the rice home. Now people usually prefer using the modern method, which is vehicles or tuk-tuk. Whereas a while back we could have used a donkey, which was slower, but now it is easier and quicker. This rice will be sun-dried to remove the excess moisture in order to minimize spoilage, and then processed to pure Bishori rice in future.
So guys, this is the combined harvester. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned how rice is harvested today. I got the chance to have a reef. It's not so shaky. At first I feared so much, but we are literally getting out of the acre, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember